Good morning students. We are starting question 9th of 11.4, that is the adjoining figure represent rectangular lawn with circular flower bed in the middle. This is a rectangular lawn and in between them there is a circle shaped flower bed. Radius 2 meter is given and dimensions of lawn is also given. We have to find the area of whole length into breadth, 10 into 5, 50 meters square. Then area of this flower bed, area of circle is pi r square. Now area of lawn excluding flower bed, that is this portion. So 50 minus whatever will be the area of flower bed. Then circumference, that is outer boundary, that is perimeter of the flower bed, 2 pi r. Okay. Now see area of whole length, that is 10 into 5 meter square. So we will get 50 meter square. Now area of flower bed pi, that is 22 by 7, or you may take 3.14 because it is not reducing. So this you will get on solving, you will get 12.56 meter square. Now area of lawn excluding area of flower bed, so that will be equal to 50 minus the area of flower bed, 12.56 meter square, that is unit of area. So you on subtracting you will get 37.44 meter square. Now circumference of flower bed is equal to 2 pi r. So 222 by 7 and radius is given to be 2. So this will also come to be 12.56, but not meter square, meter. Why? Because it is circumference. Now in question number 10 we have to find the area of these shaded portion. Now you see this is a complete rectangle, this full, and we can find area of rectangle 18 into 10. And if I subtract these two rectangles, these are right angle, so half base into altitude, half base into altitude. So when we will subtract these area of two triangles from the whole rectangle, area of whole rectangle, we will get this shaded portion. So area of rectangle, and what is the name, ABCD, is equal to 18 into 10 and centimeter square. So you will get 180 centimeter square. Now area of this first triangle, and I mark it as second triangle. So area of triangle 1 is half base. Why? Because these are right angle, rectangle hai, so all the angles will be of 90 degree. So half base into altitude, 2 fours are 8, so 10 fours are 40 centimeter square. Now area of second triangle, triangle 2, is again half. Now 10 into 6, when you will reduce 5 6 are 30 centimeter square. Now area of shaded portion, we want to find the area of shaded portion, so we can write it as 180 minus जो हमारे ट्राइंगल्स के एरिया है 30 plus 40, that we will subtract. So 180 minus 30 plus 80 is equal 30 plus 40 is equal to 70 centimeter square, equals to 110 centimeter square. Now see second part of this question. We have to find this area of shaded triangle. Now this is a square, you see 10 plus 10 20, 20 20, and 10 plus 10 20. So all sides are equal. This is a square, and from this if I subtract area of this triangle, and I name it as this third triangle, all the triangles are right angles, right angled triangle. Okay, because these are the angles of square, 90 degree. So area of whole square, that is they have also named it as PQ and RS, and we have to calculate this area TUQ. Okay, now area of square PQRS is equal to side into side, that is 20 into 20 centimeter square. 2 2s are 4 and 2 0, 400 centimeter square. And area, instead of naming the triangles you can write 1 2 3. It makes easy. Area of triangle first, half base into altitude. So on reducing 5 tens are 50 centimeters square. Now area of second triangle, half base into altitude, getting 100 centimeters square. Third triangle area, again half into base into altitude, and on reducing you will get 100 centimeters square. So area of shaded portion, that is also a triangle but not right angled. Okay, so from the area of whole square, that is PQRS, we have subtracted the area of the three triangles. So 400 minus 250, 150 centimeter square will be the area of shaded portion. Now in question number 11, this quadrilateral ABCD is given, and this is, you can see, diagonal touching AC. This is 22 centimeter, and the altitudes BM is 3 centimeter, and this DN is 3 centimeter again. Now they want us to find area of quadrilateral ABCD. Now again, like previous, I divide this in, these quadrilateral has been divided into two triangles. So I have colored them, first triangle with orange and second with green. So area, this is first and this is second triangle. Now area of triangle 1 now is equal to half base. What is base? 22, and this is altitude on it. So half into base into altitude. On solving you will get 33 centimeter square. Same way area of triangle, second triangle is, that is green one, is half. Now base is again same, but is altitude, line segment joining vertex to forming an angle of 90 degree perpendicular. So 22 into 3 is the altitude, and on reducing again it is equal to 33 centimeter square. So area of quadrilateral ABCD, that is whole quadrilateral, is equal to 33 plus 33 centimeter square, that's equal to 66 centimeter square. So in this way you will be completing your exercise 11.4, question 9, 10th, 11. That's all for today. Thank you.